How to add animations to your Google Slides presentations. First things first, open your browser and type in slides.new. This will take you straight to a new Google Slides presentation. Once your new presentation opens up, you'll see a blank slide by default. Feel free to add more slides and content according to your needs. For this tutorial, let's start by prioritizing the slide we have. Let's add some content. Click Insert at the top menu and choose Text Box. Click on the slide to place your text box and type in some text. To enrich the slide further, let's also add an image. Go back to Insert, then select Image and choose an image from either your computer, Drive, or search the web. Now that we have our content in place, let's animate it. Click on the text or image you want to animate. As you do, handles will appear around the object, showing that it is selected. Head over to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, select Animation. This will open an animation pane on the right side of your screen. In the animation pane, you'll see options like Fade In, Fly In, Spin, and more. Select the desired effect from the drop-down menu. For this demo, let's choose Fly In from left. You can adjust the speed of the animation by dragging the slider or entering a specific time in seconds. The On-Click setting means the animation will start when you click during the slideshow. You can change this to After Previous or With Previous, depending on your preferences. Added another animation for the image in the same way. This time, let's choose Spin. Similarly, select the desired settings from the drop-down menu. You can preview your animations at any time by clicking the play button at the bottom of the animation pane. Multiple animations on the same object? No problem. If you'd like your text or image to perform multiple animations, click on Add Animation while the object is still selected. Choose the new animation and configure its settings. And there you have it. You've successfully added animations to your Google Slides presentation. It's a simple way to make your content more dynamic and engaging.